how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire, and today I'll be showing you how to prepare spaghetti in sauce. So subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. So without much further ado, let's get started. For spaghetti in sauce, you're going to need some spaghetti. I'll show you how I boiled them. We'll need some onions and 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes, tomato paste, water, cooking oil, and for our spices, we'll need some Royco mchuzi mix, Garam masala, garlic powder, 2 Royco cubes, and salt to taste. So let us get started. guys, our spaghetti in sauce is finally ready. It didn't take long to prepare and it's very delicious. Definitely try this recipe out. So subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye guys.